something which can.
The site will be parking area is paved with, yeah.
Okay.
But on site, the equipment parking is compulsory.
No, that side, when you say office and other things, all you are saying is facility management.
Yes.
Okay, they are not having control. You cannot say, no, I want the drain for this. This is part of that. They have to provide. Which is in your control is your site area where you are actually parking the new machineries. So either we actually, I'm again, I'm open to the forum, I'm not specialist. Either it may have an impact, like the oil spillage or oil droplets or something coming from the
engine.
Normally, you see when you're home also, after some time you see there are droplets on the land. So that is possible. No, it is possible.
You say that is minimum. You say him.
Yeah. Minimum.
I'm supposed to ask question, and I'm answering now.
I'm answering on your behalf.
We are from Bombay. It's supposed to question.
All most of these things are very minimal. We can.
Yeah. You say him no. Only, no problem. Okay, guys, sorry. So this is okay. This is okay. So that's okay.
You can service run not applicable as entire area is entire site is.
Yeah.
Those are not accepting.
I think let us not applicable. Let us not justify it. Where disposal is concerned, now I will go with your point. Domestic, we have already considered.
No.
In the domestic effluent sewage. Refer this one. Refer
Domestic
1.9.
is the down. Domestic is we are talking about the office waste also, right? Municipal waste and domestic waste. We are talking about the kitchen waste and everything is coming here, right?
That is very big.
So kitchen waste everything is there. But okay, they are using, you can say not applicable as
No additional concern. I can say no additional concern.
but you have to justify why it is not additional.
I will say put no.
Concern as existing facility management has been used for the project.
Yes. This.
Else, as existing.
As part of.
No, as existing
For the site.
for the site camp and offices, right?
Existing.
Facility management. Facility management, what do you call it?
Facility management system.
Utilized.
Facility system.
Facility management. What is the term? Facility management.
Is being utilized.
Is utilized for
Vendor.
camp and site office.
That's a for camp.
Camp and site office. So the facility management is responsible for all these things, not you.
Yeah. I remove this one.
But site is.
Right. Okay, so this is okay. And for non-hazardous waste, I mean general waste maintenance will be there. So I think there is no major concern.
But what are the waste we are talking about?
Like vehicle maintenance, probably small vehicle maintenance. During excavation, excavator may go for breakdown, so they will do some small maintenance. So let us record it.
Oh, they have. Suppose I'm talking about, suppose they're in the fans.
Yeah.
So if they cut the fans wire, supposed to dispose of. We cut it right somewhere. That's non-distributed. And suppose you are putting some oil or some drums or something, empty wooden scraps or something. Bringing some like putting the skirting and so many things, right? When you do this for the foundation. So different planks and so there are also
maintenance of vehicle.
We have some general waste.
This is what we are talking about.
I'm saying that waste.
So how do you explain to me why how you are going to do
so? I mean, Vimal, if you read my highlighted part, waste generation during maintenance of equipment leading to.
No, not into maintenance, during construction also, sir.
During construction also.
I'm talking with you example, I give you example, like you are